Is it focused?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Am I ugly?
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be going car shopping. Not for me, obviously, but for one of my friends. We're gonna be visiting Boston Motorsports. Well, technically, it's not in Boston. Alright, so now we're approaching the highway. We're gonna try individual mode. And we're gonna merge. Scary. Oh yeah, so we are not running the tune right now because I'm waiting for the custom flyout to be finished, so we're completely stock. Massachusetts State Police Incident Command? Show them the truck. What is that? What is that? I'll show them that one too. This is the first time I am seeing this. What the heck? That is so cool. Just like that, it went from being dry to this. Show them this. What the heck is this? I hope this doesn't ruin any of the plans today. Alright, so we are making a quick stop here in Boston. We are currently on Newbury Street, and it is absolutely just popping right now. If y'all are from Massachusetts, let me know in the comments below. Alright, here we are.
This one.
We are here at Boston Motorsports because my friend DJ is looking to get into a GT. There's only like 4 of them in the state.
It's beautiful.
Say hi.
Hello.
This is a GTR. This one is like the hardcore version of this car, but it's like $60,000 more. They have M5, M3, they have everything. Anything your heart desires, DJ. Yeah, currently DJ has a 2 Series. M2, I approve. It looks a little bit scuffed over there though.
Oh yeah?
$5,000 discount right there. S63, another S63, an E63S. I almost bought this car because of the all-wheel drive. GT63, that one.
Like this year?
Before I got the GT, yeah.
Oh, nice color.
GT63, this is the all-wheel drive 4-door version of my car. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you, man?
Very good, very good.
You guys need any help today?
He is actually looking at the GT. Okay.
Nice. Is that your GT over there?
Yeah, that was mine, all the way up there.
Okay.
Explain your situation to the viewers.
So I'm trying to get a second car. It either has to be small and unique or bigger car or unique. And we came here to check GT, the red one is over there. And it seems like the price isn't really kind to us.
Yeah, used car market is just ridiculous right now.
Yeah, the price they were asking under 17 for 2018 one.
With 7,000 miles.
The MSRP was how much?
144.
Like that.
So you're definitely gonna make the conversion from BMW to AMG, right? To Mercedes?
Perhaps.
Hello, I just wanted to contact one of the sales reps.
Okay, let me page a sales person for you. Give me 1 moment.
Alright, thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you for holding.
We're back. So we went car shopping, we checked out Boston Motorsports, and then we went to Mercedes-Benz of Boston. So we were looking at a GTS. Unfortunately, I forgot to record when we were at the Mercedes dealership, but there was a 2016 AMG GTS with 19,000 miles, and they were trying to sell it for $97,000. And I understand that the used car market is very strong right now, But for a 6-year-old car, basically, it just doesn't make sense to spend almost $100,000. I don't know. Do you guys think a $97,000 AMG GTS is worth it? Because it's a 2016. It's had 2 owners. Luckily, the service history was nothing bad.